Hello, it's Melina here, and I'm with my daughter Leighton.
Hi.
Today we are going to start the T25 program from Beachbody, and cardio is on the agenda. So we already have it in the DVD player in the living room, and we just came out here to the back porch to talk to you all and let you know what we're doing.
I know I don't have to lose weight, but my mom here really wants to, so I'm her motivator, so that's why I'm helping her do this and helping her stay fit like she wants to be.
And eat healthy. So, okay, we're gonna go ahead and go inside and work out. So we just got done with our T25 cardio,
And we went on a bike ride.
for 30 minutes. However, it was probably about maybe 3 miles, maybe longer. I don't know. I'm gonna download an app on my phone and check and see how far we go next time. If you have an app that you like to use on your phone for when you run or bike ride, put it down in the comments below so that way we know and we'll try it out.
Yeah.
Don't forget to give our video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we'll see you tomorrow.